Chronic, you need to. I need you to. I need you to be on top of your pulse checks here.
Yeah, I got the checklist working.
Did you the newer version that I sent?
Yeah, the one you sent me last night.
Okay. I want you to tell me where you're going to be attempting to place trades. So I will tell you this: a 3-minute time frame where it is set to like 20 deltas on the filter. Those have been relatively respectful,
Okay.
assuming the volatility is tame enough for that time frame.
Sure. All right. I need to, for some reason, I need to put the button back on to delete shit.
The delete
Yeah.
button at the top. That toggle should stay on.
I know my entire Sierra chart, like, because I have 2 instances of Sierra chart. My charting, I have charting and execution. My charting Sierra chart completely reset to default for some reason. I have no idea why.
Okay.
So I just need to throw that on.
Let me.
Looks like I have too many on the 3-minute, but I guess that's just how many we have, huh?
It'll look like there's too many levels.
Yeah, on the 3-minute.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the point. All right, I think I'm ready.
Give me just a moment here. Okay. The 15-minute has a huge area below us
Great.
that it's bouncing off of. The 15-minute set at a 20 as well is pretty helpful. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I noticed that the levels are just more solid as fuck on those higher time frames. It looks like we might be fading a lot too at some point.
Pretty lackluster. I don't have any on my 30-second.
Any levels?
No, maybe.
Do you see my screen? It should. Does it kind of look the same or no?
Yeah, it does look the same. There haven't been any new levels. It's just
No.
It's just taking old ones.
Yeah. So right here on 4750s, I think this 47 area may have the potential to continue to bounce quite a bit.
Yeah.
You have these 4 factors here, and then there's 2 on the 15-minute. You had about 4 here at 49.50 roughly. No, not quite. 50, 50s. So right here, I don't know. It's pretty tame, so I'll pulse check along at 47.50. I don't know if I would have necessarily got the long.
Yeah. I probably would have tried for 48. It might have came back and filled me right there. I would probably
There you
take it down
go.
for the point. So let me go ahead and checklist that.
Yeah, so you press play.
Pivot. What is fade?
That would be a fade.
Right?
Okay, so I would go like this. Look, it was a fade.
Mm-hmm.
Did it go against me or did it work right away?
Okay, that makes sense.
Because if it goes against you right away, it throws you into a different part of the checklist. So it worked right away, and it gave you 4.
Yeah. And
To
it was
me, I would have
0 MAE.
For me, I would have, yes. So I would have probably taken 2 points off of it. It's up to you. Since you're pulse checking, see what potential MFE you could get out of it. Could you get 2 points? Could you get a point?
Okay.
You know what I mean? So yeah, fade. Did it win? Yes. So we know that one of our fades is working. We know that it worked right away, and for you, a point would have worked. So notice this 30-second. Notice the 50-50. There's a level there on the 30-second, the 3-second.
Yep.
And kind of the 3-minute. It's been it's getting tested a lot.
Yeah, we're almost compressing into it. But we're also slip ranging down here.
Yeah. I think if we're gonna break any direction, it'll be to the upside, just because there's too much shit in the 47s on the 15-minute and the 3-minute.
Yeah. I would agree.
So it's accepting.
Shimmy back here.
50-75 pulse check.
I would take this
So
shimmy back 50-25.
It would instantly go against me about 6 ticks.
This would be tough to hold. I'd probably take it off there for a 1-point loss.
So pulse check. In that fade, it says, did it overshoot? No. Pulse check breakout immediately would go against me. 8 ticks. 0 in my favor. The breakout did not work. So breakout. Loss. So it's going to be like yesterday, most likely.
This volume is super lethargic.
Yeah. So if it starts to get below the 47s, I would think it could potentially break out low.
Yeah.
Even though it didn't do it on the high side, if it can get down there and embed and stick in there a little bit.
Yeah. I think if anything, the fact that it didn't break out to the upside is information that it
yeah,
could break
because
out.
those were light levels too. Those weren't anything hardcore.
I'll take a shimmy back short if it'll give it to me. I would consider that a pretty good shimmy back.
What, 47.75? It's already ripping.
Yeah.
So immediately going against about a point.
Sucking back in a little bit.
Are you in it?
No, I'd pulse check 48 short.
Yep. I want to get at least 3 pulse checks in so we know.
Yeah, know what we're kind of dealing with here.
So this is this getting stuck part I'd be looking at.
I'd maybe be able to get filled for a point profit on this. It would be playing with me though, man. It would be making me work for that exit.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'd probably take it for 3 ticks here if it's not going to give me the point.
Yeah, I agree on that.
So that's 5 ticks MAE.
Now I think, see, it's getting stuck in here. It's stuck on the upper end of it all. I think you're a little early on it. I think letting it just play out its stuck ability would be key, and then see it get stuck.
Yeah, like I almost want to take a shimmy back after it's already accepted below that level. Not
Yeah.
before, because that could be a bounce. I could be catching a knife.
I think 48 wasn't too bad of an entry. See, now it's getting jammed up. There's so many twos down here on the 3 minute,
Yeah.
though. I'm a little concerned that it is going to pop off of it. There's a lot of levels here on the 15 minute as well. I think it's in a massive confliction zone.
Does appear to be accepting down here. If it can give me a good shimmy back, I think I'd be interested in the short continuation.
I'm a little worried because it's so conflicted. Like, is it going to bounce 46s, 45, 50s?
Yeah.
And you know damn well if there's a lot of potential stops above us. It is, for me, I'm just confused. I don't know.
Yeah.
Right
that's
here.
fair. There's a big fuck off level on the 3 minute there at 53s. 53 to 54 on the 3 minute. That's
Yeah.
a big fuck off level.
Yeah, can it rip back to 53s? So it's needling away at this.
Bit of a shimmy back, but it's so shallow. I would not want to short it here.
It took 2 ticks from 46.50.
Yeah, I think that was a good call.
Probably could have extended it, but it's okay. Because there was a 3 factor right here at the 45s, and I'm like, okay, well, they could bounce that. To me, that trade was not worth more than a few.
Yeah. I don't think anything's worth more than a few ticks today. So,
Well, I mean, this is only one area. You know, it's not the end all be all.
Mm.
You know, it's just this one area. You know, you go into a trance and think, oh, something is going to happen. It's going to go somewhere else in 10 minutes from now, and let the trade come to you. Keep throwing out pulse checks if you need to.
Yeah.
You know, down here is pretty big on the 15 minute and the 3 minute. They almost align perfectly at the 43.75s. And you're getting the 30-second to agree. Oh, and I actually got that.
Wow. God damn, dude.
Like I
Fucking hell.
faded it and just fucking. Okay, well that I think. I've been on the wrong side of that too many times. I deserve it.
Yeah, no kidding. I remember you got murdered last week on one of those.
Yeah, that was worth 2,900. 1 in 20. But see, man, it's them fucking that 3 minute and 15 minute. There's some sort of respect coming from those areas. Like, look, on my screen, you have right here, you had this 2 down here. I think it's one thing when it's like one arrow. May not be super stellar on the 15-minute at times.
Yeah.
It can be, but like you had the 2 down here. The 30-second had 1 as well. And then, yeah, your 3-second. And then down here you had about 4 or 5 on the 3-minute.
How far back is your 3-minute going? Because I don't have those. Which study backtracks? I think it's 3, Catnap 3.
Starting from the 19th, so I guess. Start date time.
Either way, I do have at least 2 levels down there. I just don't see the 3rd one.
Okay. Here's your big area, which they're actually fucking jamming a little bit. I would say that it could pivot low, but I don't know, man.
Something
the way
weird
it's
just happened. Like, that's a lot of buy volume. You know,
I'll pulse check it either or 55.75s short.
Yeah, it could be overextended.
Going against.
That is a very sharp move.
It's going against roughly 2 ticks.
There is that reclaim there at 54.50, and if they start accepting into that, I would like to short into it. Let's see what it does, though. Sometimes they put in a support on the reclaim. I'm going to try the short, 54.75. Kind of slip against. I'm going to cut it. 5-tick loss.
Still weaseling it. See, that's the thing. Is this properly going to break?
Yeah. It looks like acceptance. We have another level there at 58.
I think you're a little late on that trade. I see what you're doing. I was going to say it looked like there might be another fade up here. You have this 2 here on 55.75 that could pop it up. If it can stay under it. My thing is, are they going to pin it? See, it's staying under. I'd go for the 55.50 pulse check short.
Yeah, I'm going to try to. 55.50.
So it's not puking right away. I'd take the break even. Or if you can get it here.
Got the point.
That was technically a fade. It kind of went against maybe 2. And then it would work for about 4. Did it overshoot? Not really. So far, 3 fades. You got to be careful here, man. Like, it's twitching all over this.
Yeah.
I would still be short biased, but um, I would want to see it get stuck up in these 57, 58s. It could slip range here.
Yeah, definitely.
Being below 50, see this 55.50 is getting abused.
It also
Is there?
it bounced. So when it bounced on 43, that was to the tick the overnight low. 57.75 to the tick is overnight high. So they're bracketing overnight low and overnight high. I don't know what information you could pull from that, but that is objectively what they've just done.
So the 15-minute has 3 levels clustered here. 53s. I'm a little concerned about that giant reclaim today. Seems more fade-like. But we know that this 55 is being abused. It doesn't seem to be rolling hard. The 3-second has 2 factors, quite a few here actually. That's the problem, is at what point are the levels going to just get chopped? So if they're chopping these on these time frames, this is telling me there might be a higher time frame in play.
Yeah.
So these 58s and 59s might actually break out if they're going to abuse the 56, 55 levels.
I agree, because it looks like they just supported this reclaim. They put in a support on it, and now they could be stair-stepping higher.
There's liquidity up there, arresting liquidity at 58.50, 500, 600 contracts almost.
If it gives me a bit more shimmy back here, I might be interested in a long.
So you either can wait for the shimmy back 56, 55s, or if it kind of works its way into the 58s, but I would let it work in there.
Yeah.
See this really quick pop, it could dump back in. So they're staying on it, and they're 100% overshooting. Interesting. The question is it going to overshoot and fade back in? The next big place on the 15-minute is going to be 62.50.
I see that level too.
But so the question is, can they fade off 58s? Is it are we mixed today? Is the 3-minute going to go into trend mode? Like, are we going to trend?
There's a.
I'm going.
There's a
I'm gonna
3
pulse
factor at 61 that they just rejected to the tick.
on the 3 minute.
3 minute, yeah.
Yeah. That's what my concern is. Are they gonna go through that? But there's another one right below it at 58s. So can you pivot off of that and push back long?
Yeah.
So I would pulse check a 58. Again, since if they're going to respect that upper end to the tick, I want to see a relatively clean respect on 58.25.
There's a nice reclaim here down to 57. They're accepting into
Pulse
it.
check 58.50s long.
I'm pulse checking a short. It's kind of getting stuck here. I'd probably take mine off for a 1 tick win. They are accepting into it though. It's like a struggle grind down almost.
Yeah. So it was a fade. It worked for 2 ticks, but then it would have gone against me about 4 so far. So they broke that area. So the question is, are we losing reliability on the 3 minute to where they might reclaim back up and over. Like it might do that bullshit where it's chopping and that becomes the middle.
Yeah.
But what do you lean on for that? The 3 seconds got a lot of shit going on here. Big level on 15 minute that's going through a little bit. I'd attempt to fade on 55. Pulse check. It would go against. Go against 4. I'd like to push it to 58 if I'd still be holding it. I probably just for this pulse check, I'd want to hold it to 58s just because are they abusing levels? Yeah, and then I would cut it. So the fades are starting to lose. Well, you have 3 here on the 3-minute below us, and then you have 2 here on the 15-minute. Is it going to continue is the question.
Yeah, that is a fat fucking reclaim below us. It looks like there's a lot of unwind on the order flow. We had big, huge buyers on the way up, and we've just had 2 big sellers in this little slip range. 500 lot or more. It's definitely accepting below this little 53 level. I would be interested in a short continuation. I'm going to try the 54 short.
Let it get embedded down here in the 53s a little more. Unless you're already in it.
I'm in it. Can exit here for 3 ticks. Got it.
Yeah, I got the short too. I took a 4-tick loss, then re-shorted it. So they are breaking the level, but now they're starting to abuse it. Well, they're holding under it. I would not be surprised if it jammed up 2 points right about here. But then again, they're holding perfectly to the tick underneath.
Yeah.
Like, it seems like there is a level of abuse. So they did hold it. So the level of abuse could have been just once.
Big orders coming out here too.
Looks like they're chop walking all that reclaim.
Yeah. There is a bit of a level. There's a 3-factor at 5350. 1 on the 3-minute, 2 on the 3-second. And it's actually 3 on the 3-second, so technically a 4-factor.
Yeah.
I might be interested in a short because this struggle grind is so strong. It's hard for me to see it bouncing off anything. There's nothing for it to bounce off of, in my opinion.
$47s would be the stop point if it rolls back in.
Yeah, I see that level.
If you look on the 15-minute, it was at range and it got tight. And I'm wondering if they're just expanding to like rearrange this area. Just let it come to you.
I'm not going to chase anything. I know what level I want.
Right down here, it's pretty stout on the 15 and 3-minute. What's interesting is the 3-second is leaving in a lot of larger 150s. They just fucked it, but I don't know if it's like an overshoot.
Yeah, they were doing this a lot yesterday.
They have been breaking out.
Yeah, and it's kind of giving that capitulatory look.
We know they're kind of breaking out a bit. Breakouts, let me see. And it's working its way under these levels. I think there could be a continuation low here.
Yeah, they might want 43s.
I'd pulse check in here somewhere.
Yeah, shimmy back to 47. I might try.
I'd do the 46.25. I'd consider it a bit of a fade. It's working. I'd pull it there.
Boom, right through.
Immediately would have worked for 12 plus 0. You seemed a little hesitant on that. There was a lot of levels in between that you were relatively safe. Your 15-minute had a bunch of shit behind you at 47s.
Mhm.
Just let it go.
Yeah, it's hard for me to trade anything without slip advantage.
I understand.
Just got to work on that.
See, my theory is like, because the problem is we did all this testing and shit, and it's like, sometimes the shit works so goddamn good, and then other times it doesn't. I think in the end, you can trade almost any level. Maybe not, but hypothetically speaking, I think you could trade any level. You just have to, like, some days it's going to respect them, and sometimes it's not. Or are they fadeable, or are they breaking out? And the trick is to figure out how to dance with the levels and not try to overfit, but where they're always lining up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it did bounce something big on the 15-minute. There's no bids here. If you look at the cumulative delta, it's gone down on more.
Yeah.
Or it's gone up on more than what it's gone down on.
Almost looks like range expansion.
What's that?
Almost looks like range expansion.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like on the 15-minute, went tight to
Yeah.
loose again. So right here, this is like a 6 factor on the 15 and 3 almost. Pulse check short 47.25s.
Yeah, I do really like the short at 47.
I'd get out of it.
I got 6 ticks out of that.
You got it? Okay, good. You're sitting pretty, I think, right?
Yeah.
3 trades? Or
5 technically, because one was a try to.
Did you not tell me about a certain trade?
No, it was the big loss that I took right off the rip, 5 tick loser.
That was a -5 ticks, yeah. And then you picked up 4.
And then I picked up a 4, and then I lost 2, and then retried it for 3. I got 3 ticks out of it. And then I had a 1 tick winner about 10 minutes ago, and then I had this 5 tick winner just now.
Okay, I need to know. I need you to make it very clear when you're trading.
Okay, I'll make sure to say exactly when I'm getting in and getting out.
Or, yeah.
Not make it vague.
Unless I think it's unless I think it's a horrific idea, I'm not going to intervene.
Yeah, and there's sometimes where I'll say something vague, like I like the short here, and I don't say, "Hey, fat cat, I took a short here," you know?
Yeah. Well, so what do you should be up, what, 4-ish maybe? 5?
I'm up $100 before commissions.
Okay. You still have some time.
Yeah, I'll sit out for the rest of I'll sit here and watch for the next 10 minutes or so. See if we see any other ops.
I wouldn't be too surprised if it continues. The 43s need to embed. You have a huge amount of levels on the 3-minute and the 15-minute as well.
Okay.
Which I need to figure. I need to start getting the 15 on here, but I want to see it get stuck in here for a hot minute. I don't want to fade it. I don't want to fucking break out. I want to see it get churn out for 3 fucking minutes or some shit.
Mm.
Because if this is range expansion, you're really on the edge.
Yeah. It did put in a really nice level at 44. I see a 4 factor there. Like 4450 roughly.
Yeah, that is high on the 3-second and the 30-second UR4, which is kind of like the minimum I would want to trade.
Mm.
The thing is, if I take that, if you were to take that, I would be very particular about getting 2 ticks or something out of it.
Yeah. It's so tight here, and it's kind of got that spring set up where it might just shoot it up.
Yeah. See, to me, if you were to short that, that's worth maybe a tick or 2.
Yeah, I would
It
agree.
better be a fast tick or 2. Just because there's too much potential bouncing. Because you're on the 15-minute, you're now on the upper side of all those bigger levels.
Yeah.
So they're breaking up.
Yeah.
There's 800.
Acceptance
contracts on
above here would
46.
be information for sure.
So, well, here's the deal. Is it going to embed in here for the next 3 minutes or so?
Yeah.
Remember I said that?
It's
And
true.
it is. It's going back in. You see how it's popping its head back in there on the 3-minute? See, it's getting under there.
Yeah.
If it's not quite under the 15-minute. So far, it would be somewhat long biased. But if they keep weaseling in there, then I'd look for the short. I think you're getting a level of abuse on the 30-second. It's just kind of floating, which is that's information. It's not quite under. It needs to get under 43.75s. It needs to get in the 43.25. See, the problem is not ripping off of this. It's abusing the 30-second.
Yeah.
Stay calm. Deep breaths. 3 deep breaths for me. Breathing in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Just know that even though you don't have much time, it doesn't matter. It needs to feel absolutely right. Don't let your heart rate increase. Just focusing on being calm. That's it. Being calm. Waiting for it to come to you. So it's coming back in. It needs to get in a little lower. It's not low enough. Make peace of missing this. Visualizing it just doing something you didn't expect. And, well, that's it. Whatever. Accepting it. Being content. Let it bake. Somebody's getting stopped.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
This is the massive levels across the board. I'd pulse check a fade here.
A short.
47.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay, so it's getting a little rambunctious. It's pushing. I would take a tick or two or something.
Yeah, something weird's happening in the order flow.
You in it still?
No, I haven't taken anything.
Okay. So it did. Yeah, it broke actually.
3 minute definitely looks like range expansion.
That was a. I went for the fade. It worked for 2 ticks and then it would have blown out 12. They're coming back into it. Was that an overshoot? I think they could slip range back up potentially, but what are you leaning on? Nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing down here.
Was that just an overshoot? That's the question.
That could be one big liquidity grab before they push lower, because I do think they want to push lower. That might have just been late sellers getting stopped out.
Yeah, I'd see if it pull back up there, and then it might rotate clean. That stopping could have caused it to overshoot.
Yeah.
Problem is it could bounce here. So that would be a loss on the fade that it overshoot, not initially. How much testing has happened up there? Not much. This might be a slip range. It's being calm, waiting. Oftentimes, abusive shit like this can lead to really good trades. All that failure and churning.
Yeah, it's almost like it's cooking. It's cooking something, you know.
Yep. I wouldn't want to be long, but I also don't want to be short in 43s anymore. Because if it's a slip range, then I'm really on the wrong end of it.
Yeah.
They are breaking out, though. It's starting to build out a track record of breakouts.
Yeah, that's been the theme the last 10, 15 minutes, for sure, especially to the downside.
Well, in the narrative because I'm still pulse checking, in the narrative, you can start to see the fades starting to fail.
Yeah.
So if they can, let's see what they do in here. They need to sort of sit in here and churn. Or are they gonna pop it? Or is it gonna? I'll pulse check the 44 long. So that would be another fade. Which is an immediate against 2 ticks so far. Still not low enough. Still hold it.
It's definitely doing what you said. It's like embedding, like it's getting it's
Yeah,
churning around in here.
but I'm concerned about this being a slip range above us. Can I get a point on this? That ore flow is a little goofy right there. It's like the bids are fucking disappearing. I'd cut it for break even. It wasn't a win or a loss. I would consider it a loss though. Yeah, I want to see it do this a little bit lower.
Yeah.
So what's interesting is it's abusing some of the levels on the 15-minute and the 3-minute when it did the breakup on the upside. That last breakup out to the upside, it kind of did the same thing it's doing here, but on the other end of the spectrum.
Yeah, that is an interesting observation. Look at the bar coding, man. They've been defending 43.25 to the tick for almost 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I think they may want to put in another explosion to the upside in an effort to stop out the late shorts.
Yeah, that's what I'm ultimately looking for.
There's the break.
There's a 2-factor right here that's almost bouncing off of on the 15-minute 42.25 exactly. So you kind of have this 4-factor little bounce thing going on. But they're needling at it. If they continue to like really get under there,
Could be
like this.
continuation. Yeah.
Sticky as fuck. This is ultimately what I wanted to see.
Yeah, they are bouncing around down here below your level.
I think it's too late for you to get in it. By the way.
Yeah.
Picked up 6 ticks, but I did lose 4 to get that 6.
Yeah. I wanted that little pullback at 43.50. I thought that was a good short. But I think the stop run potential is pretty high here.
They just pivoted that one level perfectly on the 3-minute and the 15, I think.
Yeah, I see it
Which
on
is
the 3.
Actually, no. Yeah. Let's see there. Still looks good.
Yeah, they're respecting it all right. There could be a shimmy back short.
It's like dead on the 15 minutes, dead center of like these 4 areas. Let's see what they. Oh, there's a little. Can I go back in there?
I like the shimmy back. I'm gonna try a 44.25 short.
Kind of accepting above a little bit.
Yeah. See them knock out 43.50 here.
They've got to get under this. There it is.
I'm gonna take it for 3 ticks. I'm gonna work an exit. Got it.
I would honestly, let's hold off. I mean, I know you did it, but I think you could get more out of this.
Yeah, I think so too. It's just where my P&L is sitting right now. I think it was good for me to take that off. I do
But
agree
did
with
you-
you though. I think it could go further.
What are you up? 175 or 1?
Yeah, 175 before commissions. And considering the volume today, when we started trading today, dude, I was like, okay, I gotta be really careful because this is not my price action. So to come away 175 on a day like today is a big deal for
Yeah.
me.
Well, yeah.
I'm
This
aiming
is
for 200 a day. I think that's like your K a day. That's kind of my guideline. I want to try for 200 a day, but with this account, I can go up to 600 win.
yeah. I think I would flip here if I was in that trade, and because it did not run as expected, I would flip it.
Yeah.
I'd flip it here. Let's see if that works. 44.25s. Not quite under. Probably take a break even on the one that you took, and then I'd probably just bail it again because something ain't right here, and just wait. Are you ready for your review?
Yeah, we can jump into it now.
All right, can you give me like 10 minutes?